Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Hello my friends, Merry Tradesmas to everyone. Whoever doesn't know me, my name is Alex, aka Alex Jake from TTF Discord, and today we're going to make a trade review that I took at the 15th of November for Strategy Wars Season 7. As you all know, I'm creating my trading ideas every day based on the IDR concepts that I personally teach here in TTF. You can also find the videos at the public YouTube of TTF. Whoever wants, of course, can join our community and see almost 1 year of detailed live streams on that we do every week on the detailed concepts on IDR and in combination with our amazing indicator Fractal Frenzy. This trade, my friends, is the perfection of how the basic trading plan with all the concepts aligned can play out perfectly, or at least it has the highest probabilities that it's going to play out. As you all know, I use some concepts in order to establish my bias, and these concepts are the daily pattern that the IDR forms. In this situation, we have a bearish expansion model. Of course, whoever wants to know even more details, you can watch the mini series that I have created at the public TTF YouTube, or you can join the Discord community where you're going to find all my live recordings. So, as I was saying, in combination, having the bearish expansion model and price underneath the Asian DR range, that gives us one more confirmation that we are searching only for shorts. And the last and most important confluence, we had also our 5-minute confirmation, bearish confirmation at this exact point. Of course, I went down to the 1 minute. As you all see, we had a confirmation, we had our retest. It is this strategy, my friends, is the most mechanical procedure that I have personally found, and I'm really happy that most of you are having a lot of success with it. Our two first rules have met from our 100% mechanical strategy. It was the confirmation, we had our pullback, and at this point, being slightly aggressive, I would like to say, I took my first trade that unfortunately ended by a tick stopping me out. I would say at this point that if I was a little bit more passive and covering these highs over here, I would probably will be in this trade, but this is the decision that I will pay for the price. Here, of course, it stopped me out, and I re-entered immediately after I saw that we created a new low. I understood 100% that I made an error being so aggressive with my stop loss. That's why I entered immediately when I saw, of course, that we created a new low, and let my trade, of course, play out. I was very lucky and I was not afraid, even though I saw price pulling back, but I had this 0.5 standard deviation over here. That was a huge confluence, and we have the biggest probabilities that price will hit it. In order for me to take my 1.5, in this situation 1.57, I would go for the 0.5. I was passive also in my stop loss, so I didn't have anything to be afraid of. If you see by yourself, also price was here, this fair value gap, reacting from it, patiently waiting. Price retested, pulled it back, rejected the IDR level over here, also rejecting the Fractal Frenzy EMA, creating the bearish momentum that we were searching for, helping us putting our trade into a risk-free mode. That's how I like to say it, the risk-free mode, having still the probabilities that price will go lower because of the 0.5 standard deviation. I had so much confidence that it's going to hit my TP, and of course, after 3 candles, we had our success. Following my rule, understanding quickly my error over here, being really aggressive, and patiently waiting to enter again helped me to achieve one more victory. I wish all of you to have a happy new year. Merry Christmas to everyone. See you next time. Thank you very much for watching, my beloved friends.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.